Hey guys, this is Mrs. Long, and we are looking at a problem without replacement. What that means is somebody takes something from a bag and then they keep it out of that bag. And I found a few typos in this problem, so follow along with me here so you can read it too. A bag consists of 52 Legos, 23 of which are red. Tiffany randomly selects two bricks, one after the other. When she selects a Lego, she does not put it back into the bag. She sticks it in her pocket and doesn't let her little brother play with it anymore. What is the probability, written as a simplified fraction, that both bricks are red? All right, so we know she's going to be drawing two Legos out of the bag. So I'm going to make two fractions. We know that when we find probability, this is going to be what's the probability that she draws a red one, and this is going to be what's the probability that she draws a red one. We know that when she's making two draws, we're going to multiply those together. All right, so she's going to draw twice. So we multiply those together. Remember, if she were only making one choice, then we would add, but multiple choices we multiply. And this draw and this draw, so we multiply. All right, so let's look at this first one. There are 52 Legos in the bag. All righty. And then on the top, we have to figure out how many red Legos there are, and they tell us there's 23. Now, Tiffany grabs a red Lego out of the bag and she sticks it in her pocket. She doesn't give it back. So for the second draw, there were 52 Legos, but she took one of them out, so now there's only 51 left. All right, and then there were 23 red Legos, but she took one out, so now there's only 22 red Legos. When we multiply that together, we get 506. Remember, we just multiply straight across for fractions over 2,652. Now, I struggled on this one to try and reduce this fraction, to try and simplify this fraction. The only thing that I could figure out that they had in common was 2. So if I divide by 2 over 2, I get 253 over 1,326. And I don't believe they have any factors in common. 2 won't go into 253, 3 won't go into 253, 4 won't go, 5 won't go, 6 won't go, 7. I didn't try 7. Let me try that. 253 divided by 7. That doesn't work either. So I'm pretty sure 253 is prime, and that's going to be as simplified as we can get that fraction, believe it or not. So remember, the thing that changed here is since Tiffany put that Lego in her pocket and she did not replace it back into the bag, our second set looks different because there's one Lego missing. All right, I hope that helps.